Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create Instagram posts using PhotoRoom quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, open the PhotoRoom app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your account. To get started, you can simply open a previous design from the content icon given at the bottom right corner, where you can see the list of your prior images. Please make sure to choose any image that you like. As you select it, it will open in the editor. But if you want to start with a new photo, you can just go to the home page, then tap start from photo. Within it, select an image from your gallery. As soon as you select the photo, PhotoRoom will automatically remove the background using AI, and also it will ask confirmation regarding that the background should be removed from that image or not. If not, you can also choose another image. Here is a tricky part, but if you want to use the same image for Instagram post by editing in the PhotoRoom, you can just simply tap confirm and you will be redirected to a page with different editing tools. You can just scroll to the social essentials, and here you can see different social media handle post. Within it, you will see Instagram post. Simply tap on it. You can see that the background is already removed, but if you want to keep the background, you can just go to the classic section. Within it, you will get different option formats like white, black, transparent and original image. Tap on original image, where you can see that you have successfully get the background. Inside the editor, you can change the background color as well as image if you want through color image options, and tap text to add captions or promotions. Make sure to choose a default style and edit the text. You can also edit the text colors as well as resize and reposition them based on your need. If you want to add depth, you can simply tap shadow, where you will be given three options: soft, hard and floating. You can choose any option based on your needs. After selecting the option, simply tap apply the shadow, where it will successfully apply the shadow in the image. If you want to have a better control over the image, you can just simply tap on layer icon. Within it, you can manage text, images and background separately, making it easier to fine tune your design. And when you are done with the editing and is satisfied with your post, you can just simply tap save, and from the ready to share screen, choose save to camera roll if it is not click, or export in SD if you are using the paid version, and simply tap close design, where it will successfully download the image in your gallery and you can use the image as your Instagram post. That's how you can create Instagram posts using PhotoRoom in just a few minutes, which is perfect for creators, brands as well as online stores. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.